50 cents. What's happening, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back. Welcome back. It's been quite some time here with Nev. Haven't been live for a while, guys. Just took a bit of a break. Let me just get this camera in. So retail sales has come in higher than expected. Well, higher than previous. Sorry. You can see here we've got 0.5 on the month to month, as opposed to the 0.4, which is higher than previous. So we are looking at a 1.4 on the retail sales. The first one was the core retail sales, second one's retail sales month to month, 1.4 as opposed to 1.3. So overall, I'm seeing a good move up here, guys. Target would be these two equal highs here. So I am looking for a bit of a move to take us to there. That is going to be my target for this session. So let's see what we have coming up here. Okay. Yeah, just for those people that are new here, remember this is not financial advice. We are basically giving or breaking down the trade that we are taking. So yeah, please do not do what we say.
Purely for educational content.
Yes, it's purely for educational purposes, guys. All right. So yeah, we are anticipating buys. I wanted to see a run up to those two equal highs on top here. Just put this out here. There we go. All right. If we can break this area here, I think we are good for those longs. I want to see price give us an FEG or displacement leg in this area, so we can probably look at the 1 minute for that. Yeah, and then our stop loss would be below this low down here. Right. Let's go through the chat. You guys can hear me. Hey, guys, say sup, salams. We've got Tella in the building as well. Um, okay, OG in the trading world. Thanks, appreciate it. Guys are saying welcome back. It's been a while, guys. Been a while. Been a bit of a while. Was that previous day's low taken, Niv? I think I've. Yeah, it was, eh? Okay. Yeah, so also while I'm looking at those longs, guys, previous day's low was taken. We have opened up, traded below the opening price. Asia down here, Asian lows, London did a sweep down here. So this was the London sweep. We have pulled back into the, so this would have been the, what you call it. Oh, the guys are saying the chart's not moving. Now the chart's not, let's just go back. Let's just go back. Try and get this working. So annoying, bro. Okay, this should work now. Let me know, guys. Can you see it? Okay, there we go. Sorry about that technical issue there. So yeah, we are looking at this area here being Asian lows sitting down here, which was then raided down here into London session. This was London low. We had a shift to the upside on the 5-minute time frame. We also had a pullback into the 5-minute FEG, which was sitting down here. Something I'm gonna be a bit cautious about is these two equal lows or relative equal lows down there. However, this did do a spike into that low. You can see here we literally just about, I think, yeah, we did. So there we go. So that low was taken, which is actually good. So that should be better for us. I just want to see price leave this consolidation area here. And then we can target these equal highs here, this being a session high yesterday, in line with London session high resting above here. So yeah, previous day's highs up above, next target as well. Yeah, and previous day's low has been taken down here. You can see I got PDL written on the right hand side. We are also trading in the volume imbalance at the moment, which is why we've got this chop going on currently. It's basically from this candle's open to the previous candle's close, which was up above there. That was last night's gap. So we have been ranging within that area, which is why we're looking for a sort of breakout above. Yeah. Nev and I do have dummies, but yeah, if it doesn't look good just now, then we might have to close that, Nev.
Yeah.
What you looking at? That's still floating. It's like fucking, yeah, for now. Yeah, it's a bit on and off, yeah. Would like to see a break above that high. If we get that, then then we are good. Let me just move this. Okay, I've got you in the frame now.
Yeah, it's just ranging a bit much.
Yep. So what's happening, guys? You guys all right? How's it been going? Let's read those comments. Okay, working for him. Chart isn't frozen. Okay, so the guys can see that the chart's fine. Okay.
It's taking a bit again.
Can't see what you're speaking about. Good to have you back, Leo. Leo says good to have you back. Yeah, guys, sorry, we've been slack. We've been slack. Need to get more consistent at this. I was plagued by this entry.
Yeah.
Fuck. We appreciate your time, sir. Oh, cool. Cool. I reckon if it takes that low nav, then I'm just gonna, I'll close the dummy and I'll wait for the proper trade,
Yeah, like another setup.
or the actual trade.
Yeah.
I just want to go back here because I saw something. So, how was that last number revised? Previous says revised, right? Revised from 0.3. You saw that? So it was 0.3 on the previous, but it's saying revised. Yeah, it's revised to 0.7. A little bit concerning. This number came in, so retail sales month on month came in higher. This one, don't know why. That was revised. Sneaky. So up here we've got, I'm going to put this up here so you guys understand it better. We've got, yeah, let's see.
Should be bouncing off this area somewhere.
Don't know, eh?
No,
It's a bit weird.
it's sus.
Okay, so that is the liquidity that I'm talking about. So we were equal there. Okay, then we had yesterday's lunch, which should have been here. Okay. Are you going to trade daily or on certain days? Live trade daily or on certain days? I'll do it whenever I have a gap, guys. Thoughts on? I don't know what this guy's all about. Congratulations, Nev, on the new vehicle. Someone in the comments congratulated you, David Maposa.
Sure. I think he said before also.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so that is what we're looking at. I'm waiting for a clear setup. I've got a dummy in somewhere here, but that's just a dummy. I'm testing waters at the moment. When we see a actual setup, I will share it. Okay, let's check the 15. So, right before we do that, I want to actually check the RTH. So you were referring to, was that, what? Which one were you referring to? Not really that. That one is 40,360. RTH. Yo, that RTH actually still got quite some gaps still there.
Yeah.
Do you see that one? It's quite high. Wow. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, you see, I think, so because the number was revised, do you see that? It was actually quite sneaky. Because this was revised, it was sitting at 0.3.
Okay.
It was literally 0.3 before this news came out.
That's 0.7.
And now it says revised from 0.3.
Yeah. Actually,
So that's actually coming less than previous, but above forecast.
yes.
So that's the fuck up here.
Yeah.
The good thing is we are below the PDC.
Yeah.
So that's a little bit better. Do we have any earnings today? Let's check on that. Earnings for 16th. ASML. Bangkok. No, I think we're okay for today. We are okay for today. Have to buy tax. It's 1.1 than expected. Sorry guys, I'm just catching up on the headlines for today. Goldman Sachs downgrades. Let's just check this quickly. So US markets. Ooh, none of these are reporting earnings. Not that I can. Okay, besides, I think Nvidia reported already. What is it? Nvidia's missed, eh? Wasn't that what I saw? Yeah. Sure, that's what I saw earlier. Can't remember. Yeah. Okay. Let's check the comments. Good to have you back. Yeah, guys, so Nvidia did report earnings, I think, and it had missed, which is obviously not good. When was Nvidia though? Strange, because I didn't get the notification. That's why I'm. Wait a second. Could never have been yesterday, bro. That's weird. I'm not on my Netflix. Friday's a holiday. Okay, anyways. Alright, let's see what happens. We do have a 5-minute FEG here on the sell. Let's see what happens here now. You see that one that formed? That sell.
Yeah. I did see one, yeah. Also.
Okay, so those two equal lows, which I was a little concerned of, has been taken. Right. Okay, so that's taken. I want to see this FEG being flipped, I would say.
Yeah.
So if we can inverse this, we can look for a long. Okay. We want to inverse that and then look for a long up. However, if we do not inverse that, then we could potentially dive a bit into this area. Because there's a bit of imbalance, there's quite a bit of imbalance down here, guys. So let's just wait. We are waiting. Waiting to see what happens. Sorry guys, I do sound a little bit sick today. Had a small head cold over the last couple of days. Guys are saying see NAS. So NAS has come back into this 5-minute FEG, guys. We've had a shift down here. So this is a shift there. With a bit of a displacement leg and an FEG here. And NASA's gap has not been closed from last night. So there is still a potential for that.
There was a last push up there.
Yeah, but it was flip this area quite here.
Yeah. Yeah, I need to push through.
Correct. Okay, looking a little bit good for now. Remember, we need to see it close up above and inverse this FEG basically. So what I mean by that is it needs to give us an FEG that overlaps with that FEG, because that was sell side delivery. We need to see buy side delivery now overlap that same area, because we've had a sweep here, so it's a bit of a waiting game. It's looking better. As I said, that pull back. Check that.
Yeah, I saw that.
I will say nothing.
Yeah.
Aye. That's not looking good. Not good.
That shit, man. Yeah, push back all this rubbish, yeah.
Might have to jump in shorts if she breaks that low, man.
Yeah.
What you thinking? Let's see what the open delivers, though.
Yeah. I thought we were going up first.
That's what I saw first, but obviously it's.
I still believe we're going up first.
I wanted price to have been up here by the open, but
Yeah.
obviously it's not holding there at the moment. Let's see. Let's check if Trump put anything out on social media.
Make America great again.
He needs to put something better, bro. Need something better. No, the last one was about Joe Biden.
Okay.
Hey, you guys are quiet in the comments. What's happening, guys? Nobody's saying anything today. Yo, well, the guys been waiting in anticipation. Everyone's watching the charts, they're saying.
Yeah.
US 30 made us speechless this last 2 weeks. Speechless? Aish. Why did it make you speechless? Waiting for the signal, the guys are saying. The guys are stressed. It seems like the guys are stressed here, man. Aish. No, our potholes are almost full. Never seen moves like this since I started trading. Yeah, for sure. I mean, the moves have been extreme, very extreme.
Oh, it's been some big ones.
Yeah, but you could have also made a lot of money quickly.
Tell them,
Could have made a lot of money, guys, very quickly. Yeah, at this point,
It's not looking too
it's not looking favorable on the run up. Might have to piggyback a sell here.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Yes.
Check. So that's a new 1 hour now, eh? I just want to see where this. Yeah, but you see, if you look at the 1 hour, so I said, so that 1 hour, yeah, that's now, eh?
Yeah.
That 1 hour is tapped at FEG, so
Push up there.
I still think we're gonna get that run up here. This is what I'm talking about, guys. That's, yeah, at least to that area.
Getting jumpy.
Might even pull into the 50% of that, maybe. She really wants to fuck around.
Yeah.
Let's see. So
Getting jumpy.
so 50 is at, remember the sum of, so 44 and 4. 44 and 4. I'm actually going to set an alert there if she gets there, just in case. Okay. Just going to watch that area later.
I might have to jump in our way. Yes.
It's moving very quick, you check.
You see that spike as well?
Very quick.
This one looks like it's going on. Yes. It's bringing up the upset.
Joel, you joined late, man. We did the disclaimer already. What's up?
You're stopping me again.
I want to see what happens here, bro.
Yeah.
Should have fucking sold from that 5 minute, bro. Could have made a quick 600-700 pups.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking.
On the 5 minute FEG.
Yeah, when that candle closed like that.
Yeah. This one. Because it didn't inverse it.
Still got potential out there.
It does, but let's see what happens here. So just need to see what happens. Because that almost pulled into the 50, eh? 50% area.
Yeah.
Let's see. Fuck, that actually tapped a 1 minute sell.
It did.
No volume imbalance.
Need a strong from the candle.
Huh?
Need a strong bullish from the
Yeah, but if we don't get that, and that 5 minute does its thing, then we jump in that sell, bro.
Yeah.
So let's just watch carefully here. Next couple of minutes. Looks like she want to go down. Guys, we're still waiting. We are still waiting. I'm waiting for price to show me something in the next couple of minutes. So it's created a new 5 minutes. Check that. Yeah, but that's thing. So there is a new 5 minute FEG here, guys. But we need to see now at the open. This is a sell FEG sitting down here. So Mzanzi online shopping says yesterday left so much buy side, equal highs. Also a good target for drone liquidity. Yeah, potentially, but we want to follow what this thing is doing. So if she does show us that she wants to sell for the open, we're gonna run on. We're gonna run with that. RTH is gonna open below the previous day's low, bro. That's the other thing. So previous day's low is gonna be sitting here in the ETH.
Yeah.
Gonna open somewhere here. That big gap up, that is about 1,400. Should get that push up. But it might not be all that big. See, reactor there. Still holding here. What would be ideal now is if the 1 minute can give us a setup, guys. Give us a new displacement, probably take this high with the FEG. As it stands though, might be looking at the shorts. What do you think?
Could be, eh? Could be, eh?
Pum, 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 pum. So we'll remove this because that is away from where we are now. This one, we need to inverse that one. Okay, can take this one out. There. So high, that was 4, 8. Still some time. Come on. So yeah, should actually put this light on here.
Yeah.
Oh fuck! Looks like the rain. No, but it looks like the rain's coming back now, man.
Ish. You're gonna put some blue sky now.
Where? It's fucking gone now. Teller says looks like you need a nap. Hey bro, we had a hard gym sesh this morning, man.
Yeah.
We had a good one. I did 5 minutes in the ice bath, boss. 5:10. 5 minutes 10 seconds in the ice. Frozen, boss. SHAK, what made you buy like crazy at 10:27? I'm not sure what you're talking about there. 10:27. Yeah, coffee would be good though.
Yeah.
Shoot.
I didn't tap the farmer, right? No. Farmer itself never tapped, eh? It was close, but didn't tap.
Well, what made it buy? Well, that's what the guy said. Oh, I haven't checked, but there was, I think Trump had said something earlier. So the thing is, it's still in the 30-minute, it's still in the 1 hour FEGs, bro.
Yeah.
Do you see that? That's the only fucking problem here with this.
Yeah.
And those FEGs are big.
Yeah.
Is that not hit here on the 5?
No, I didn't hit.
Also at 10, well, now that the guys are saying this, at 10 there was, I think the UK inflation had dropped, if I'm not mistaken. Because I saw a headline come out, and then shortly after there was a rally on US 30. Okay. Tell her I'm messaging you. Just check your phone. Yusuf says buy or sell. We're waiting, Yusuf. We're waiting for a bit of confirmation. Yeah. Wait. No, I'm still feeling a bit chilly, eh? I can still feel a bit.
Yeah, still feeling it.
Yeah.
The chill's gone to your bone.
Yeah. Fuck. TUI 22 says 1 minute FEG. Yeah, I see it. I see it. Problem here, guys, is you see, it's a bit of a dicey one today, right? It's creating all these FEGs here now for the sell. But if we look at this current leg here, from there to there, the 50%'s been sort of hit already. So it's in discount of that current leg, which makes it a bit difficult, but because the open could actually spike up first before a move down. That's just what I'm seeing today, which is a bit of a weird one. So I want to see what happens. Remember, there's still this FEG here.
Yeah.
Teller, check here. This is at 355. 355 swept here. So that was London. Teller's arguing with me what time London session open. Fuck. Oh yeah. Okay, so let's see what happens here, guys. Okay. Let's go to the 1 minute. Bum, 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 bum.
You need to start pushing up harder, you know.
Yeah, let's see what happens here. It'll build up here. Pam.
See what this candle gives us now.
Okay. Looking a little bit better. Not.
Then I also tapped the small forward.
Yeah, I saw that one.
I still see us going up first, bro.
That's what it was looking like, but right now it's looking suspect. So I honestly thought it was going to run first for these highs.
Yeah.
I'm not sure it quite wants to do that today, but let's see now.
Crazy, yeah.
Ah, so you see the stop loss in the... Yeah, I think if we take that, we might just get it. Might. Which is, yeah.
Well, this current file needs to stay small also.
Come on, see what happens. It's like stuck here, bro.
Yeah.
So let's see where NASDAQ is. NASDAQ came all the way back down, eh? Into that area. So that's
Trying to show something, bro.
It's not good. Let's see here. How many seconds? 40.
38. Trying to look at something.
Yeah.
That's some displacement there, bro.
It's trying. Let's see.
Character, trying.
Right.
Just say if we're adding here. Oh, 47. Here we go. Oh, so we're gonna die.
Yeah, that is... I need to clear this area though. I'm waiting for a 1 minute FEG to form here, guys. Nah, that's not forming.
It looks like selling, bro.
Yeah.
Selling.
Yeah, that's selling, guys.
You're going in.
I am gonna enter. Wait, let's see how this candle closes. Aish, that's taken all that liquid though now, eh?
Yeah.
Well, wait, hang on.
Yeah. It's aspect. It's like yesterday.
Hmm. Not in anything yet, guys. Not in. Hit that FEG again, eh?
Yeah.
Needs to clear it.
Yeah, right. Clear that. Push.
Okay, so that's it at 5, eh? Yeah, you see here.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, hit that 5. That was already tapped though, eh? Looks like it's going down. So
It's a bit dicey, guys.
yeah, we need a figure. Yes.
Yeah, so that does look better.
You still in?
No. So I'm gonna enter sells on this close. Okay. I'm in on sells, guys. I am gonna sell short here. Stop loss on this high. It is a very high risk trade. Yes, sis. There you go. This is very, very high risk, guys.
Yes. Yes. Fast, bro.
Yeah, it's crazy today, boss. Yo.
Come on, let's go. Come on. Fine.
No, that's crazy, man. That's wild. Nah, guys, this thing is looking. That's crazy. I'm coming out. That's going the other way now, guys. That is absolutely crazy right now. So that's taken me out. I'm actually gonna call it here, guys. It's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. Okay. Cool, guys. Take it easy. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully, we'll recover.